Hello, hello. Hi, everybody.
Hi, everyone. Good evening. Good evening, everyone.
Hi.
I live Nimby, Pablo, Agent, and Potato Man, and Grey Phoenix.
Okay,
I'm here with Ricky.
And I'm gonna greet the friends and ears. Hi, Nick. Hi, Diff. Hi, Beaker. Hi, Yarmac. Hi, everybody.
Happy Loud House Tuesday. Rixie, what's Loud House Tuesday?
Loud House Tuesday? I don't know. Can you guys hear Reverie okay, by the way, you guys? Just checking.
And can y'all hear Rixie?
Yep, I just turned off my music to make sure it didn't... Oh, good. Loud and clear? Oh, awesome. Good, good, good.
Yeah, let me... I'm still waiting for a response on my end.
Oh, okay.
Now we can hear her. Good, okay.
Hey, hi, Distillos. Hi, Pablo. Is Pablo on both of the... Is Pablo on both of our streams?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. So supportive.
Mm-hmm. We have some jumpers.
But yeah. Should we like introduce ourselves like to each other's I mean, I think the Nexon OGs know who both of us are, but
Yeah, but just in case we have some new chatters.
Uh-huh.
You want to go first or should I?
Sure. Hi, my name is Rixie Brightful. I am the cute robot assistant formerly of Nexus, First Class Genesis. And I have a little buddy named Dr. Fish, but I don't think you can see him on Reverie screen. But yeah, I really like programming because one day I want to be able to program myself. But yeah.
Valid. Hi, I am reveriecalypso. I am a galactic Pegasus that crashed landed back to Earth not too long ago.
Did it hurt when you fell from heaven?
Crazy!
Anyways!
A little bit. That's where I got my scoliosis from.
Oh no, not scoliosis.
Nexus OG right here.
Yeah, they're the Nexus OGs know who we are. They already know. Hi, Toaster. Hi, everybody.
Yeah. Yes, we are doing Scratch today. We are making color games. So for me, that'll be a color wheel, and you have to try and match the color. So that'll be a pain in the ass. Rixie, what are you gonna be doing?
Are we doing the same thing, or are we doing something different?
Do you want to do the same thing, or do you want to do so what you could do is you could do an easier color wheel so that it isn't every single color of the rainbow. And then you would and I can try to walk you through it as I figure it out myself.
Well, what do you think will make? I feel like it might make more sense if we do the same one. Because I think if we're both talking about different games, it might get a little confusing.
Yeah. Okay.
I was thinking we're doing like parallel programming, but not the way that actually means. It just means that we're both programming the same thing, just on different screens. Yeah. I
What parallel programming mean?
Yeah. Oh, parallel programming. It's like when you have two processes happening at the same time. It's like more efficient, something like that. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. But anyway, so I guess I think it probably makes more sense if we do the same thing. It's just because we can't see each other's screens, so we're both on separate things. But good news, I did finally get Scratch to verify my email, so if we do finish this today, I can publish it actually.
Yeah. Was that an issue before?
Yeah. They wouldn't verify my email. They never sent me a confirmation email, and then I changed my email to Dr. Fish's email, and they didn't send it to Dr. Fish's email, so I changed it back to my email. And no, I'm not doing TCG today. Today we're doing nerd stuff. Yes, that's right, King Bri. We're doing Scratch programming. I have done Scratch programming before. I animated an animation of this little Scratch guy getting high. And then I did a Dr. Fish game too. Yeah. What have you done so far in Scratch? I saw that you had some previous Scratch streams.
So last time I did a dodge game. So for me, it was me flying around in space and dodging comets or meteors, whatever you call them, and collecting stars to get your score up. I'm not done with it. I'm gonna have it upgraded level. In the past, I've also started to make a survival game. That was pretty difficult.
Wow,
I'm not done with it here. And a lot of other little projects and stuff.
Wow, you're probably better at it than me then, honestly. Also, hi Megaflower, thank you so much for the 5 bits. Thank you so much. I'm microdosing on bits because of Megaflower. Megaflower always throws me a few bits. Oh, audio's glitching?
You saw aliens?
Oh.
Nimby saw aliens. Really?
Oh. What's happening with the audio? Sorry, they said my audio's glitching? Reverie is?
I am?
I can hear you. I don't know. Sometimes, sometimes the audio input thing, it like periodically glitches. I've never been able to figure out the solution for it. So I think you're okay now, though.
Okay.
Also, hello, Ace. Hi. Okay. I think we're good.
Okay, good. Okay. Okay. So Scratch is a block coding website, so you can make all sorts of different like programs and stuff like with block coding. I don't know if you know what that is. It's where they have like preset commands and you choose from those and then you make your program using them. You saw aliens, I saw sharp hamburger. What's a sharp hamburger? And thank you for the subscribe, Nicknia. Oh no, I said it.
Yeah, but you're gonna teach me JavaScript. Listen, I can barely get my head around Scratch. Okay, I don't think I'm ready for JavaScript anytime soon. Okay, King Bryce is gonna teach me JavaScript. Ooh. Anyways, but yes, like Reverie said, it's block based. As you can see on my screen, I'm like clicking together the blocks. It looks easy, but when you're a dumbo like me, when you're a dumb bimbo like me, it's not as easy as it looks.
You're not dumb.
Aw, thank you, Reverie. Okay, I'm not dumb. Reverie said so.
Yep.
Okay.
I said so. Indeed, I did.
So I guess do you want to explain? Wait, actually, I probably should. Can I show them the one on screen that you sent me, or do you want to explain the one that we're gonna try to be doing something similar of?
Yeah, you can go ahead and show it. I will show it on my screen.
Sure.
Too.
Give me a second.
Hi, John. Okay, so this is what we're gonna be trying to program. So what you do is you match the, I'm only going to be doing the first step because the other steps are really hard. So you try to match it to it like that. And then you go around the wheel and you try to match the colors.
I'm good at this.
So.
Perfect.
Yeah, that's what we're going to be doing.
Perfect.
Oh, shoot. I'm not good at this.
Perfect.
I'm not good at this. Okay, good. Oh, the color game, yes.
Oh. Perfect.
Okay, awesome.
All right.
So we got to say hi. So hi, Chloe. How are you? Yes, the color game. So we're going to be trying to do that. Here, actually, let me send this to Rixie so she can use this color wheel that I found and download it.
Sure.
Hopefully
send it over.
There. That is,
Okay.
So Scratch has a sense color, like color touching, and I think that's what we're gonna be using most likely to do this properly. So what it'll probably be is let me go to sensing. It'll be if touching color, and then you'll fill in the color. But I think what we're gonna have to do, it's going to be more complicated than that. We're going to have to do, because if we want to do the very good, perfect, that kind of thing, then we're going to have to do some, like, ranges. Like, if distance from color is greater than blank, then do bad or whatever, and, like, code it like that. If we're going to do it complicated. If we just want to do it, like, if we got it right or wrong, that'll be easier.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I don't know. What if you feel confident doing the difficult one? Then I'm willing to come on the journey with you. But whatever you think.
Yeah. I'm gonna try to do the complicated one because I think it'll also make it like easier on the player because that way they don't have the exact color.
Yeah, and their self-esteem will be okay afterward. Yeah.
For real. I've heard the best way to learn a language is to speak to natives. Therefore, I'll be at my local reptile exhibit to learn Python.
That's a good one. And
that was amazing.
I'll be scratching my butt to learn Scratch.
Oh my gosh, that is a crazy.
Actually, I slipped in the shower today and smacked my butt on the
what?
Yeah. I mean, now my booty hurts, but anyways, that's a side note. Anyways.
Oh no.
I'm gonna have a big bruise on my butt cheek.
Oh no, not the bruise.
Yeah. Because even though I'm a robot, I do have a circulatory system, so I can bruise. Yeah. Pablo says, "Does it jiggle?" Pablo, no, it's made of
Pablo.
Okay, a little bit since it's silicone, but anyways, yeah, I'm okay. I'm fine. I just hit my butt. All right, but anyways.
That is crazy.
Anyway, but yes, the color. So I guess it would be the mouse. Wait, it would be the mouse pointer is touching the color. So wait, should I? So we're gonna upload the color wheel that you sent into Scratch.
Yes.
Okay.
So you hover over choose a sprite and then you go upload sprite.
Wait, I have to.
Also, somehow one of my friends got YouTube, Sonic, and TikTok in school somehow. What? That's actually impressive.
Okay, so let me upload.
Like on a school computer?
Here's a color wheel. Here. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to do. So I'm gonna have to use the RGB, like test using RGB, which is gonna be a pain in the ass. I think. I don't know if we can change it. Let me see. Looks.
Sorry.
Change color effect bottom blank. Okay. This is gonna be a pain.
Someone activated the big boob toggle on my thing. I had to.
Big boob toggle.
Yeah.
I need to see this.
Okay, go on my channel. You can see the big boob toggle.
Oh no! Wait, there's an ad. Hold up. I will.
There's an ad. What? I need to
give
gift you a sub. Quick, I have to do it quick before Beaker does. Wait, type something in the chat so I can gift you a sub.
Okay, hold on. We got it.
Okay.
That is crazy.
Gift a sub.
Oh my god.
Gift. Oh, yes. Did I win the race? Watch, it's gonna be this person already has a sub. Yes, I got it. Eat that, Beaker. Yeah, you just go spend that $6 somewhere else.
Why are there grippers?
Anyway,
Rixie, what is your chat?
That's okay. Hi, Jake. Please put the feet away in front of Reverie, okay? Please be respectful of my collab partner. Hi, Jake. Hi, Jay. Hi, everybody.
Those are some big booba.
Hi, Dono. Hi, Lord Sophos. Yeah, I gotta have a big boob toggle, so.
Crazy. Hi, the Wicked Flower.
I remember when didn't you have an asset that had boobs and like, every time you clicked the key, your boobs got bigger, but if you were playing a game where you also had to click that key.
Yes, and I didn't know how to fix it at the time, so I didn't. But I fixed it eventually. But
that's funny.
Like on a different model, yeah. And then I kept accidentally pressing it on another one, and I'm like, how am I doing this?
I can make mine just a little bit bigger. There we go. All right, but anyways, color wheel. Oh yeah, and also guys, I know on my screen it looks like the color wheel's like way off center. It's just my like just the screen resolution does not perfectly fit my overlay, so that's why there's like a little bit off the side that you can't see. Yeah.
Okay, so how are we gonna do the middle one is the question. Because if we want to randomize it, this is gonna be complicated. Okay, let's see.
Good question. Is there like a? Oh. No, not that. Paint.
We may have picked a very hard game.
Yeah, it's okay. It's the challenge is fun.
Yeah. Okay.
Like
so,
if we
let
me test something. If I draw like a, make my pen bigger. If I draw like a, if I just draw like a random shape, like that. Okay, I'm trying to make it prettier, but it's still lumpy and ugly. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so if I make like a shape like that. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but I just do like a lumpy, I was gonna say circle, it's not really a circle, it's like a lumpy rock, okay? Is there...
You could get I got the sun one, and I just filled the whole thing with the one color. And I'm planning on changing it.
Okay, wait.
You gotta just press sprites and sun.
One real quick. Let me just check to see if my okay. You know what tits is? Oh, it didn't work. Darn it! I set it up right before the stream. My that always happens. Sorry. You can refund him, Beaker. Sorry. Anyways, so you have the sun. You said the sun sprite.
Yes, the sun.
I want to see it. Is there a way to? Wait, change color. Wait, change. Look. Wait. If you go to looks, The purple one looks.
Yeah, you can change the
change
color.
color,
You can change the color
effect. By.
Yep.
Okay.
That's what I was planning on using for
Thank you for the burgers. Okay. Thank you for the burgers, you guys.
Okay, so Pillowy says something funny that happened in school was that I was chasing a coin, slipped on my foot, fell, and hit my head on one of the stands on a table like a cartoon character. That's crazy. That's crazy. Are you okay? Another thing that was that I did a dab on VR and then slipped, hitting my head on the ground. How did you do that? The Wiki Flower. I had plenty of experience in Scratch a while ago. Really? What are you trying to accomplish? Are you trying to change the color? So what we're trying to do is make the color game. So we're trying to match like whatever color is in the center. We want them to click on that color over here. But that is like super friggin' difficult because it'll require a lot of sensing. And if we could use the RGB, that would make it a lot easier. But I don't think we can. I thought we could.
Ooh, okay. So I did. Okay, so wait, let me go back. So right. Okay, so I just changed it from purple to green. Let me go to. Wait, let me go to looks. Change color effect by. Okay, so if I do like change color effect by 25, and I keep clicking the flag. So I have one event, one flag clicked, one of the green flags clicked. And then I have it attached to change color effect by 25. And if I keep clicking the flag, oh wait. Okay, now it's not changing.
Oh no.
It changed the first time. Thank you for the burgers, you guys. You guys trying to make my boobs fatter? Please listen. It's for brain food, okay? It's not boob food. It's brain food for the programming, okay?
That's crazy.
But anyways.
Okay. Color touching.
Oh wait, now it's working. Now it's working. Okay, so every time I click it, it changes.
Yeah, but you want it to sense that color.
Thank you for all the burgers. Yes, you're right. So do sense. Okay, sensing. You guys are going crazy with the burgers. Thank you. No. Thank you for the burgers. Okay. Thank you for the burger chip. Megaflower said I need to code a robot to have big booba and a goth girl personality. How do I do that? Have Nox pilot me. Maybe, I don't know. You're right. We have to have it sense. So we have to have it sense the color that our sprite object, our middle, like the little lumpy thing that I drew, or in your case, I guess the sun. We have to have it sense that color, and then that color needs to be color. Okay.
Okay, let's see.
Because we can't do it. We can't just do color blank or we can't do touching color because this color is predefined, right? It's like static. We need to have it be. There needs to be like a variable to it, like based on what this color is.
We might just have to do it manually, where we can't randomize what color it chooses, and instead we choose the color for them. So like we just have 5 levels, for example, and like if we just choose the color every time. Yeah. And so what I'm doing right now is switch costume to sun. So this is going to be the first one. If mouse down, I think that means if it's clicked. Then if it's touching color yellow, then it will say I guess I'll say perfect.
King Bryce said Rixie, is backseat coding allowed? What do you think, Reverie? Should we allow, or should we let them sit there in frustration as we try to click blocks together and figure it out?
I think we should have them help us. They might have big brains. Okay, so
yeah, King Bry definitely has a big brain. King Bry's like a open source developer. He's gonna code it all for us. Yeah. Okay, how about this? Don't code it all for us. Don't write it all out for us. But if you need to give us a little nudge, maybe. I think that's fair.
Yeah, for real. Valid. Okay, wait. I'm wondering what the mouse down thing does. You could do it. Thank you. You could just click the code to change it. I felt bad having socks on. Oh, well, anyways, I'm gonna go now. Bye, Pillowy. Take care of yourself. Also, a little good luck message. I believe in you guys. Thank you. Can you make a what? The color change thing? I haven't messed with Scratch much, but I'm figuring stuff out. I'm gonna figure stuff out. Okay.
Also,
Good
Lord,
luck. I'm heading out to the details of the YouTube algorithm. Okay. Let's see what mouse down does, Rixie.
yeah, you can check what that does. Lord Sophos. This is called Scratch. This is a block-based programming platform. So you program using these blocks instead of having to write out code. And we're trying to make a game that's similar to. I think I still have it on my clipboard. Yeah, we're trying to make a game that's a little bit similar to this game, where you have to match it to the color that shows up in the middle. Yeah, so that's what we're trying. We're trying to build something a little bit similar. It's gonna be not as complicated, but that's the inspiration that we're building off of. Yeah, but this is called Scratch. Anybody can use this. It's free.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
this is.
Yes, it's baby's first. Yeah, baby's first programming.
Oh, okay, this is complicated. Oh my gosh.
It is. All right. Well, so I guess we won't. So we're not using the change color effect thing because I agree. It would be complicated. I guess it would be complicated to get it to sense the current color of the circle. If you want to make it super simple, Rixie is baby. I'm not a baby. I'm not a baby. I'm a newbie. I'm a newbie when it comes to programming. Okay. Yeah. All right. So if we have it be preset, then that does make it easier. Ooh, maybe if you want to have two different games, maybe yours could be different. Maybe mine and yours could be different shapes and different colors. What if I did like? I have an idea. What if I uploaded Dr. Fish? And then it would be like, what color is Dr. Fish's face? What color is Dr. Fish's body? What color? And like try to color match that. But you could do it your way. Yes, this is a color wheel that is gonna be. And then so instead of hovering over the color, because then someone could just easily like run the mouse over the wheel and then win. We wanted them to click it, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I have it going for clicking.
Okay.
I'm going to see if I can find a bit of an easier color wheel so that we don't have to worry as much about like them blending, like
sure,
all the blended together.
Sure, go for it. Yeah, Gummy. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Is it Gummy or Goomy? I know you said it during your debut. I know is it Goomy or Gummy? Or can I call you Perry? Do people call you Perry?
Yes, they do.
Do people call him Perry? Okay, hi Perry. Yes, we're doing Scratch programming. Okay.
Perry the platypus.
Perry the platypus. No, Perry the
They
gummy.
call him that all the time.
The gummy platypus. Are there gummy platypuses? That seems like a cute shape for a gummy candy. But anyways, yeah, if you want to find a different color wheel in the meantime, I think I will upload a Dr. Fish sprite. Do I have a PNG of Dr. Fish readily available? If I don't, that would be embarrassing.
Oh no.
I'll just copy the one that I sent to you. Which I copied from another Discord chat that I sent it in, but I don't. It's just because I have a new computer and like I haven't fully like moved everything over. I haven't fully moved everything over to my new computer, so I don't know if I have like. But I have it on an external hard drive. I don't want to dig for everything, so. Okay. I have to crop that Dr. Fish picture.
Green Speed Demon says hello, Rixie.
Hi Speed Demon. How you doing? Hello. I'm over on Twitch. Oh yeah, by the way, anybody in my chat, if you want to see Reverie's perspective, I pinned Reverie's link tree, and she is live on YouTube right now. So if you want to go say hi to her over there, give her stream a like. Actually, I encourage everybody to go over and give her stream a like. Yeah.
Thank you.
Of course. All right. Let me crop this Dr. Fish
have
PNG.
her.
Hopefully it
Her
doesn't.
Twitch is in my description.
Thank
by the
you.
Way, guys.
Oh yeah, and Reverie's Twitch is also tagged in my title, but she's not live on Twitch right now. Do you still stream on Twitch at all, or not for now?
Not often, but I do.
Okay, yeah. So if you want to follow her on Twitch too, it's tagged in my stream title. Okay, so I have my Dr. Fish PNG. Actually, I think I already have him saved as a sprite.
Really?
I do, because I made the Dr. Fish escapes the police game.
What you actually did? Was it successful?
Yeah, if you play the game right, he's successful. Otherwise, he goes to jail. All right, wait.
That's awesome.
I don't know if it's like saved in like my Sprite library or if that's a thing. If not, I'll just upload a new one. It's fine.
I think you need to upload a new one.
Okay,
I
no
think
worries.
it's time. Now that I'm thinking about it.
Oh, there he is. Okay. So yeah, I think I'll try to make mine, since we are doing on different things, I think I'll try to make mine like color matching to Dr. Fish if that's possible.
I can't color select from here. What do you mean?
How do I make him smaller?
What do you mean I can't color select from here? That is annoying. It's fine.
All right, but let me know if you find a different color wheel.
I did. Do you want it?
Yes.
Okay, I got you.
Oh, I just realized his color, because the saturation is going to be a difference too. Make a difference too. Oh, maybe mine is going to need like a freaking color like chart. Here, let me see the color wheel you sent. Oh, that could work.
Yeah, that way
that's
they
better.
don't have to.
Okay. Thank you for the burger, Pablo. Thank you. I made what? Wait, I made... Thank you for the burgers, Pablo. Man, Pablo, you've been cooking up lots of burgers. Also, Dono Thing, do you mean did I make a game? Yeah, I made a game, Dr. Fish's Police Escape. It was pretty simple. It was basically like Flappy Bird, kind of. But he had to dodge like skyscrapers and stuff while being chased by the police. Oh no, actually he had to dodge the police. Like the pipes in Flappy Bird were actually like police officers.
Why was he trying to run away from the police?
What, you a cop?
I'm not a cop. I'm curious if I
False
need to join in.
allegations, of course. Anyways, as Dr. Fish's lawyer representative, legal representative, I declined to answer that question.
Okay.
It says King Bryce said it can either be a simpler wheel or make a hash table of hex ranges. Well, let me show you what you remember you just sent. It's
you can do this every. Thank you, Barry. You can use a random number generator to pick a random number, then assign each color a number. Well, okay, so the issue is I would have to find a way to be able to assign the color a number. This seems fun to do, so I'm going to follow along. Okay. Hi, Jamie! How are you doing today? I'm doing alright. How are you? Also, hello, Rixie, as well. Jamie says hi.
Hi, Jamie. Hello. Alright. So, we have a color wheel here. Actually, I think the color wheel should be bigger. Okay, it should be smaller. A little bit smaller. Okay. And then Dr. Fish can be a little bit smaller. Okay.
Why you know what?
Okay, so if we have like 5 levels, it could be like Dr. Fish's face. I mean, obviously it's not gonna be exact match, but like close enough match. And then his body, his tail, right? His flame, his heart. That could be the 5 levels. Yeah.
Master. Why aren't you working?
Uh-oh, what's wrong with...
What the flippity flopper?
What's wrong with yours, Reverie?
Okay, so I have
stream.
it doing the mouse down. I have it doing the mouse down, which means it should be sensing when I click. If touching color this, then say perfect for 2 seconds. And that should work, but it's not working, and I don't know why.
Oh, yeah, let me open your stream. You're already ahead of me. I haven't even started putting blocks down yet. I was just resizing Dr. Fish and shit. Okay, give me a second. Let me go to your stream and mute it so it's not doubled. Here we go.
Okay, wait.
Oh yeah, she's already got blocks on the... Wow, she's mogging me, you guys. She's already got blocks laid down and everything. All right. I gotta hurry up. I actually said, like, what if we made it a competition to see who could make a better game? But I was like, no, we need to work together.
Yeah, because for this thing, we especially need to work together.
Yeah. So you confirmed, so mouse down does mean click.
Yes,
Okay.
it does.
Got you. Screen capping Rev's code for me? No, I'm not gonna cheat. I'm not gonna copy. I'm not gonna plagiarize. All right. So, we have this. Okay. We have to make it smaller because we need room for it to say like level 1, level 2, whatever.
Oh my goodness, gravy!
All right. Okay, so it'll be like Wait, what's the event for when the game starts? Is it just a green flag? I forgot.
Yeah, when green flag clicks.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, gravy! This is a pain in the butt. Okay.
Let me make sure when clicked. I think I'm starting from the beginning, and Reverie's starting from like the game mechanics, which I think I'm just procrastinating trying to figure out the game mechanics. So maybe I should follow. Maybe I should follow what Reverie's doing.
Well, clearly I'm doing something wrong.
All right, so let's try. Okay, sensing.
Okay, so the reason why it's because it's sensing if the sprite is touching this color when the mouse is clicked down. So that won't work. I need to have. I will make a whole nother sprite that is a circle and is hidden in. We'll do the ball. Okay, we're gonna hide it.
Oh, that makes sense.
And then we're gonna do forever. We're gonna have it go forever. We're gonna have it go to mouse.
Okay. So I'm also going to do the same thing. I'm also going to copy your work. Actually, why don't I color pick?
Okay, there we go. Good.
Wait.
You can use the change color block to have the color change by a random amount. Yes, but how will I have the sensing know what color I want it to pick? Like, it's hard to explain. I don't know how to explain it.
Oh, I can't color pick from there.
Okay,
I have to color match it myself. Good thing I'm a color match genius.
Okay.
Okay. There we go.
I'm trying to see.
I'm gonna make it even smaller. Can I zoom in on this? I don't know if I can. So we'll make it like.
Oof, I'll have to do this. Okay, this is gonna be a pain in the ass. Fine.
It's not color match. I didn't do the color right. Ooh, I'm a failure. Ooh. Wait, put it.
Not a failure.
Put it like there. Make it smaller. Can I make it even smaller?
Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this in a different. This is a pain in the ass.
I can't make it smaller.
When.
I'll make my pen smaller.
When. Mouse down. Okay.
This is Scratch, Jake. This is called Scratch. Okay, there we go. There we go. I'm gonna make a tiny dot. Oh wait, that might be too small. So if you sniff and paste into paint, you can drop the color. Yeah, I could if I wanted to be super precise. Hi, Savior. Hi.
Okay, then we're gonna have it. You can change the color to. Yeah,
Okay.
Words aren't working. I don't know how to words, Rixie.
It's okay. I know how to words, but I use them unwisely, so it's okay. Sometimes it's better to not know words. Okay, so here's my tiny dot. Okay, wait. You see my tiny dot? Look at that. Look at that little dot. Okay, so we're gonna. First of all, let me put the dot on top. How do I put the dot on top? How do I put the?
Okay.
How do I put the dot on top of the color wheel?
Okay. Go forward.
Oh, I got it. Okay.
Well, a good idea is to have in a forever loop, go to front layer
Okay.
to make sure it stays in the front
Dark
layer.
mode is off. I could do dark mode. I guess it would be awkward. It would be, I don't know, it feels awkward in a collab to do dark mode.
How so?
I don't know, because I'm like, oh, this code is so long. Like, I don't know. I did?
I didn't expect that.
Did I do it with you? Oh.
Huh?
I forget. Did I
That's
do it?
amazing.
I guess if I did it on another collab, then I have no excuse. I did? Okay, fine. Okay, wait, Beaker, can you turn it on? If you could turn it on, then I'll do it. As long as Reverie's okay with it.
Dark mode? What's dark? What do you mean?
Dark mode is it's a toggle I have where the jacket comes off, and then I talk like the way I just talked.
It feels like an ASMR voice constantly talking.
Yeah. If you're not okay with it, no, wait. If Reverie's not okay with it, then let's not.
Don't get me wrong, ASMR voices sound nice, but it's just like
It's too distracting.
I'm not gonna go to sleep here.
It's too
Yeah.
distracting. It's too distracting. No. Let's leave it. It's too distracting. That's why I turned it off to begin with. All right. So I have the dot. I don't think it's perfectly color matched. Here, let me see if I can expand this. Actually, you can see the dot there. Okay. This is scuff. I can't color pick it from here.
This is gonna be a pain in the butt.
This is a pain in the butt. I'm doing it probably in a very inefficient way, but it's okay.
Okay, there's that.
Okay, that's too dark now.
Okay, so I'm gonna show switch costume to sun.
Okay,
Good.
let's try again.
So I don't need start game.
So I can only color pick from here. Okay, in that case, why don't I... Alright, you know what? Let me open it up in Paint and find the freaking like hex code or whatever that I need to work with. Okay. Okay.
75. There we go. We're gonna move it over a little bit. Okay, and then when I receive level 2.
Okay. You're already on level 2.
No. Okay, no. Listen, what I'm doing is I'm having it if mouse down, then if mouse touching color, then broadcast level 2. That'll mean that they got it correct. That'll mean that they got it correct and they can switch to level 2.
Okay.
So, yeah. So it's gonna be complicated. So I have to set up for level 2 to be able to do level 1.
No worries. Okay, I can't configure the color the way that I was planning to. So I'm gonna keep experimenting with it. Because it goes by color, it goes hue, saturation, brightness, which is not the way that it does it in Paint.
So if you're trying to pick out the color, then I recommend you
Do I just do
the eyedropper.
Well, I'm trying to do the eyedropper. I can't do the eyedropper on the color wheel because I'm working in the sprite creator.
Okay, so the way to get that, what I did to get around that is I uploaded the color wheel as one of the sprites, as one of the costumes on the sprite that I was working on.
Oh.
And then I selected the color from there and switched and made sure the fill stayed as the same color that I wanted.
That's genius. Okay. See, I told you, Referee's smarter than me. Okay.
I'm not.
Okay. That's so smart.
I've been doing coding for a while.
She's been doing coding longer than me.
Yeah, a couple years.
All right. I've only been made of code for longer than that. Okay.
I think I'd much rather try to figure this complicated code out than do a 5-minute presentation on politics without any slides in front of the entire class it being awkward as real. You should do ASMR.
There's my dot.
No,
you guys see my dot? There's the dot.
How you doing, Rev?
My beautiful, beautiful dot. Okay.
Beautiful dot is
Yeah.
crazy.
It's beautiful. It's a beauty mark.
Oh.
Okay, so we're gonna move it. It's so tiny.
Try again.
I can't grab it. It's so small. Okay, wait. Don't take that out of context. It's average actually.
Okay. It's okay.
I can't grab. It's literally so too small to grab. Okay, let me make it a little bit bigger. Okay. Reverie codes? Yeah, I didn't know Reverie coded until she was like, hey, you want a coding stream with me? And I was like, yeah, sure. All right.
I already see my food.
Okay. The dot is, it's too big now, but it's, if it gets any smaller, it's gonna be too, if it gets any smaller, it's gonna be too small to touch. So.
Well, okay, so what you have it do is you have the little ball for like in a forever loop, go to front layer, go to mouse pointer, and then it'll just follow the mouse pointer around forever.
Wait, what? This is the one
Look
that
at my
this is the one they have to click.
Well, okay, so the one they have to click? Okay.
Wait. Are we doing if wait, are we doing if mouse touching color, or are we doing if mouse clicking on the sprite?
So what I found out is that it can't sense if what the mouse is touching down on, like what color the mouse is touching down on. It can only sense if the mouse is touching down. So what you have to do is you have to have a sprite. So what it tests is if the sprite is touching a specific color, not if the mouse is touching a specific color.
Wait.
So you have to have a sprite that follows the mouse around and acts as the mouse in place of the mouse.
Can it be, wait, but can't it be if mouse is touching and mouse down?
I tried that, and what it was doing, it was testing if the sprite was touching the color.
Not the mouse?
Yep.
I believe you, but I kind of want to test it myself. Wait.
Test it.
How does that not make sense? Wait, how does that make sense? Wait, touching? Wait.
+5 tech skills. Hell yeah. Whoever's a pro at this. Not really. Can you use the operation box to set a selected color to a specified number? Okay.
Touching?
That would be... I don't think so.
Wait, where do these little diamonds go? Oh, if touching color. Wait. How do I specify if mouse? Wait.
If mouse down.
How do I?
Mouse down? Question mark. It'll say it's in sensing.
Okay, I see what you're saying. Okay, I'm gonna do it your way because I'm too dumb to figure it out. Okay, got you. So I understand what you're doing now. I understand now. Okay, so we want a little invisible sprite following our mouse.
Yeah, it won't be invisible entirely. Just set it to 1, and then it'll be as close to invisible as we got.
Okay.
The size to 1. Okay, so start. Why are you going there, you goofy goober?
Can't we? I think you can make it invisible, no?
Yes, but I don't think it can sense it anymore. If
it's invisible, it can't sense it. Okay. All right, so I'll make it. What did I just do? Okay, I don't know if you guys saw that. I was dragging the whole screen. Okay.
What color?
Okay, I'll make a tiny red dot then. All right, we don't have to worry about the colors then. Tiny red dot. Oh, I can make it even smaller.
Okay, I don't know if
Set it
this
to
is
1.
working. Why is it not working?
I say that all the time when I'm programming.
Why are you not working?
Tiniest dot in the whole world. World's tiniest dot. Okay. Hi, Phoenix.
It's not something.
Hi, Phoenix. Hello. What languages? King Bry asked, what languages has Reverie used?
Okay, so I used Java and I hated it because it was too confusing for me. And I've used Python and I love Python because it's a lot more simple. I think there was like sudo or something like that, and I sucked at that one. And then I recently had to help someone with C++. I have no idea how to do it, but I managed somewhat by using Python logic. So yes, those are the languages that I have used. I know the most about Python.
Wow, how is Reverie so smart? I didn't even know this. That's incredible. Can you program me a better personality?
Oh my god, you have a wonderful personality.
Aw, thank you. Okay. Okay, so forever. And then
go to front.
Go to
another one. Why you no working?
Wait. Wait, forever. I'm fucking stupid. Let me look. I'm gonna copy your work. I'm going to your stream right now.
Don't copy my work. This isn't working.
I can't.
The actual checking if it's
forever. Go to front layer. When click forever.
Oh, here, let me show you.
You're covering it. Okay. Go to mouse pointer. Oh, okay. Okay. I see. Okay, so we're on the sprite. Okay.
Oh,
forever.
It's not doing this every time.
Go to front layer. Oh. Wait. Go to mouse pointer and then go to front layer. There we go. Okay. So then okay, I see. And then
I moved it.
When clicked, okay. Let's go, copy and code. Let's go.
Okay, the security program makes it to be always in dark mode. Please no. It sounds so confusing because this is all logical except for the parts that simply aren't. For real. Hi, little Droplet. Hi, Droppy. I don't think you're clicking it hard enough.
Yeah. Open source.
Also, I have to make a calculator box program in C++. You should help me. I don't know C++ that well.
Okay, so. Okay.
It's clearly checking if I'm clicking stuff because it's not draggable, but it's not.
When clicked, okay. So
level 2. Okay.
Sensing. Variables. No. Control. Wait, if.
It's not sensing the right color.
If touching color. This one. Right?
It is working. What the?
This one. Wait, this one. If touching color. Wait, how do I get it so they can't cheat by clicking on Dr. Fish?
I thought that's what they were supposed to do.
No, they're supposed to be using Dr. Fish as a reference. I mean, okay, that's not a perfect color match, obviously. Anyways, actually, I could probably get it closer. Which one's closest? Which one on this wheel is closest to Dr. Fish color?
I don't know, man. That's hard to say. I would have to look at Dr. Fish directly. Hold up. Oh, there's too many colors.
He's so pale. There's nothing pale. The red. Hey, thank you for the burgers, DJ.
Rixie got officially distracted.
the orange part of his face is paler than it is on this color wheel.
I would say it's like dark coral.
Dark coral? That's his color. It sounds like a lipstick color.
Dark coral.
Dark coral.
That sounds
what I have
cool.
What I have to do is instead of I have to edit Dr. Fish to be this color. Here, I might use a different color. Wait, let me look up color map with all the colors. Wait, wouldn't it have to be like a cube or something to like have every color? Like a spectrum, color spectrum. No.
Oh dear.
Color spectrum. Wait.
I know it could be a wheel.
Isn't there a book with like every color? But it has to have like every saturation, every hue, like every color. With every possible shade. Is this a thing that exists? I don't know. Wait, can you make a bounding box so that the clickable area is only the color wheel? Probably.
Which color is it? I don't know if I'm picking the wrong color or something's going wrong. Ugh. I'm a little frustrated. Let's just do this and then we'll test it. Boop. Okay, it's not fucking working, you mother trucker.
I asked ChatGPT if there was a color wheel with every possible color. It said no. Closest approximations.
You mother trucker. Okay, wait. And I receive level 2 switch costume to Sun 2. What the flip? Let's see. When
No. Check in Photoshop. It won't let you use Dr. Fish to pick the color. No, well, here's the thing. My idea was for you to use Dr. Fish as a reference and try to pick the color that most closely matches different parts of his body. But I need a color wheel that has more. I need a color wheel that has more like shades. You know what I mean?
The one that I initially gave you could probably work then.
It does have a lot of shades, but I feel like it's not. Maybe I'm being too, what's the word, anal about it. Maybe I'm being too anal. Too much anal again. No, wait, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I need to be polite. I'm sorry. I apologize.
You're gonna make me monetize. I'm not even monetized yet.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm sorry. I gotta be polite when I have a guest. sorry.
Cookie Bandit, get out of here right now.
I did it on purpose on accident.
Batman is my favorite Marvel superhero. Really, Cookie Bandit?
Okay, Paula. Just a joke. Thank you for the burgers. Should I steal this color wheel from a stock photo website? Is that ethical? No one, you can't own a color, right?
You can't own a color.
I think that's ethical. I think.
Fine.
There's no watermark. If they didn't want me to steal it, they should have watermarked it. Dummies. All right.
Oh my god.
Let's try this. Pantone? It's not Pantone. It's this. It's from iStock.com. All right. Let's see if there's a better color match for Dr. Fish here. Yeah, there is. Like it's one of these colors. This one, I think.
How do I do this?
His is a little darker, but I think this is as close as we're gonna get. I'll have it in the level. It'll say pick the closest color. Pick the closest color to Dr. Fish.
Let's see.
It's more orange. This one's more orangey. Dr. Fish, why is your face such a weird color? Wait,
bro,
am I allowed to say that? He's a fish. I think that works.
What the flip? I don't understand why this isn't working.
This is definitely too orangey.
Let's see.
All right, I'll go with this one. All right.
This is so confusing. Oh my word, the A word. Oh my god, it's crazy, isn't it?
Okay. If if touching color. Wait, where's and?
And
Yeah. I got it. If touching color, oops.
Can't get demonetized.
Touching color. What? You can't put it. You can't put this and put this. Do I need to put it first? Oh, I need to put these together first. Okay. If touching color and mouse down, right? Like that. What? It can't go in there? It's too big to fit. I'm confused. What am I doing wrong? Tell me. Somebody spell it out to me. What am I doing wrong? Why doesn't that fit? Why doesn't this fit in that? Why? Oh, now it does. Oh, I was putting it. Okay, obviously if you try to put it in through the middle, but you gotta ease it in from the tip. Okay.
Why do you say stuff like this?
Hey, what? Watch my stream and watch what I'm talking about and see that what I said makes perfect sense. Okay, whatever. Anyways, if touching color and mouse down, then
crazy. I know.
Okay.
We've been streaming for an hour and made no progress.
Making progress. Listen, I'll always be a little bit more in my natural state when I'm with ex-Nexans, I think. I think that's just a reality.
Excellent.
They've gotten used to me by now, I think. Yeah. All right. This is tame, actually. This is tame Rixie compared. All right. So let's see. Okay. So if touching color and a mouse down, then okay. Give me a second.
Okay, let's see. Let's try having it. Okay, look. Let's see if I just do this.
Okay, so we want to have text. Wait, how do you add? Do you add text as a sprite?
You can. Okay, so you can add text in two ways. You can add text by going to costumes and like adding it on there, or you can have it say something.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. I just realized.
How do you? Where's the say thing?
Dude, I give up on this. I can't do this. I'm gonna do my original idea.
Oh, I see. Look, say, okay. Then say.
I'm gonna do my original idea of like them pick.
I'll have Dr. Fish say. Wait, what is it? What does it say?
Okay, say, and you can fill it's in looks. Say no, blank for blank second.
I got that, but where are they saying it? Wait.
Oh, it'll just be a chat box that pops out of them.
Out of Dr. Fish?
Yes.
Oh. Okay. Well.
Okay, so this is annoying. Okay,
but then it would be popping out of. Okay, but if I'm on the sprite on this the invisible sprites when print statement, listen. If I'm on the invisible sprites page, then the invisible sprite's gonna say it. All right, I'm gonna do it as a sprite or something, or not a sprite, as a costume. Wait, no. Oh my god. Yes, it's a costume.
Okay, I don't give up. I'm gonna do this. I will make this.
I'll do it as a backdrop.
My alarm's going off.
Okay. I'll make it a backdrop. I'm a genius. Okay. Backdrop. Here we go.
Mercy is a national treasure. No, don't say that you have made progress. I haven't made progress.
I think we both made progress. I'm proud of us both. All right. So it'd be like.
Okay, let's see. Why isn't the sensing working? And I just realized if they wanted to, they could just click the sun and like get their way through it, because the sun will be the same color.
Yeah. Level 2.
So annoying, but it's fine.
Click the closest matching color of. Okay, this color wheel is not transparent. That's fine. Of. And then I'll add a new text box. Dr. Fish's body. Okay. Oh my gosh. I gotta move it. I gotta move it out of the way of the color wheel because the color wheel is not transparent.
Let's see. How do I want to do this?
Of Dr. Fish's body. Okay. Okay. So this is backdrop 2. Backdrop 1. Backdrop 2.
I could do the sun instead. Okay, let's not do the ball, and instead we'll do the sun. That makes sense.
Level 1. Click the closest matching color to. All right, so it's gonna be the same thing, but it's gonna be the first one's gonna be his face. All right, see, we're literally both parallel program. We're both working through the same thing separately. Okay, yes. Bye Donald thing. Bye. Also, hi Mega Flower. Oh wait, no, you've been here. You gave me those bits. I remember. All right.
Oh no, I just deleted something and I deleted it. Things work. Fuck. Control Z doesn't work. Okay, it's fine.
Yeah, I'll be able. I'll actually be able to publish it because I finally got it to accept my. I finally got it to confirm my email. Okay, so when clicked. Okay, and then we're gonna add another when clicked. Looks set. Switch backdrop 2, backdrop 1. Okay.
Let's see.
And then if mouse down, then switch backdrop 2, right? So let's see if I start. Okay, and then I click this one, right? Oh wait, is it this one or this one? Wait, or did I do it wrong?
Okay.
What did I just do?
So.
Oh, I'm not. Am I?
I'm trying to.
Oh, I see my tiny little sprite here.
If.
I think I did it wrong. I think I did it wrong.
What did you do?
I put if touching color and mouse down, then switch backdrop 2, but it's not working, and I can't figure out why it's not working because I don't know. I don't know if I'm just.
That's what I've been trying to figure out this whole time, man.
Okay, when clicked. Okay, so the sprite's always gonna be on the front and going to the mouse pointer. Okay, when clicked, switch backdrop to backdrop 1. And then if if touching color and mouse down, then switch backdrop to backdrop 2. Right? That's what we want to happen. So I click this. All right, the game is now active. I'm clicking. Here. It's one of these. Right?
Oh my god, I did it! Oh.
Okay, you figured yours out? Here, let me see what you're doing.
I'm gonna cry.
Let me see, what are you doing? I'm gonna steal it. I'm gonna steal yours. If mouse down and...
Okay. Okay. Let's go.
If mouse. Oh, you have a forever. You have a forever. Wait. You have a forever wrapped around it.
Look. Yeah.
If mouse down. Okay. Show. Okay. I'm stealing work again. Look at the yellow outline, Rixie. It's stuck on the forever block. Oh, oops. Let me look. You're right. It is.
Costume. I gotta make another costume.
So, we want another forever then.
We want the fill to be
like that.
This one this time. And we'll fill it.
It worked! It worked because I stole Reverie's forever. This is why this is a collab, you guys. That's why this is a collab, so that I can leech off of Reverie. Hi, Rain. Hi. Okay. I see. I gotta make use of the forever block. Okay.
Okay. Touching her, and
then I'm gonna copy this. Wait.
I was gonna make the next game of the year now.
No. Duplicate. There we go. Okay, so now we just gotta take this and change the color. So we're gonna say, all right, his body's like.
You don't mess with Rixie. No, don't mess with Rixie. It's okay.
This game is like not gonna be accurate because this game is gonna be a scam, by the way, because these colors are not gonna match. But we're gonna make it as close. We're gonna
I'm gonna have it say
something like that. This color? Does that look like the same color as Dr. Fish right there? It's hard to tell.
Okay, wait. Let's do. Okay, I'm gonna change it up a bit.
Okay, let's do this one. Or this one? Or this one? This one? Okay. And then we're gonna add a third okay, so yeah. Okay, add another backdrop. So the second big block of code only ran once until you added forever. Got you. Oh, okay, yeah. You're right. So we're gonna wanna we're gonna wanna add the forever. Okay. So let's add another backdrop that has the same. Can I duplicate this? Yeah, duplicate. There we go. So level 3. Click the closest color of Dr. Fish's
doing something
tail.
Wrong. I don't want to do that.
Okay, so now let's see if I do this right. Let's see if I do this right or if I do this wrong. Backdrop 3. Okay. So I'm on level 1. If I click, okay. Now if I click here, oh, it's okay. All right, and then I repeat the process. But we want to make it a little flashier so you know that you got it right. Okay, but we'll do that. We'll deal with that later. Okay. It's gonna be a mess. What do you mean? What did I do? What do you mean it's gonna be a mess?
We're gonna have to make this like super duper long for this to be able to work out, and this is gonna be ridiculous, but it's fine. Okay, wait.
I've never been afraid of things that are really long.
Okay.
There's no function, so you can't reuse code. Oh yeah, you're right. Yes, correct. The code is going to be extremely long and inefficient. Yes. All I ask is that we use the boing sound effect. Okay. Do you want the built-in boing, or do you want me to voice the boing? Yes, I agree, King Bryce. It's going to be very long and disgusting. But like I said, long and disgusting never scared me away. All right, so let's do it again. All right. Duplicate, add Booba to Dr. Fish sprite and use it as a level. That'll be the reward when you win. like congratulations. Now Dr. Fish is showing his true self to you. All right. So let's see if this is the right color. Like I said, this game is gonna be a scam. Cause the color, someone's gonna go and like actually color match these and be like, Rixie, this is not the right color.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
It's fine. It's fine. This one? This one? This one?
Okay, so Jog, to switch
This
this,
one?
I would have to do a lot more coding and figure out how to sense it. Cause so what I was initially gonna do is use a different color wheel that has a lot more different colors, and like you like have to and like try to. It would be really complicated to do it because like no matter what we do, I have to have it.
This one.
Okay, wait, maybe.
Okay. And now we're gonna make backdrop 4. Okay.
Maybe.
Dr. Fish's flames.
Yeah, no matter what I
Or
do,
jets.
it'll be really.
I'll put flames. I'll put jet flames. There. Wait, I can make it.
How do I do this?
What if James was actually a nickname for jet flames, and every person named James was actually named Jet Flames? The world would be a better place, I think, somehow.
That is an interesting thought, Rixie.
Okay, level 4. Okay. So backdrop 4.
Okay, let's see.
Okay.
Oh, I've been exposed by Rixie.
Okay, so
Jamie.
it's gonna be. Wait, this one? I already forgot which color. Okay, there we go. His body. Okay, his tail. His jet flames. Okay.
Let's see.
The jet flames are gonna be the hardest one, I think, because they're like so small. All right, so we're gonna duplicate. Oops. Oop. What the? Backpack. Oh, okay. What's this? Is this a place you can store blocks? All right.
Let's see.
Okay, so this one. His flames. They're kind of pink and also kind of purple.
Touching color.
I want to say this one is the closest. Depends on which part of the flame you're looking at.
Yeah, no, I don't.
Maybe this one.
I'm trying to think of a way to shorten it, but I don't think there is any other way to shorten it. I think I just have to do the levels one by one.
Have you ever played Human Resource Machine?
No,
I think you would
not.
like it. It's like kind of like block. It's like block based programming, but it's like a game, and it's like you can do it the long way. Well, yeah, you can do it the long way, but you get more points if you do it the short way. And it was like melting my brain when I was trying to do it, because I was trying to get all the achievements for every single level. So I was trying to like shorten my code, and I learned like techniques to shorten it, and it was fun, but it definitely was brain melting.
Oh my gosh, send me the name.
Sure, I can send you the Steam link.
That would be amazing. That does sound like fun.
Here.
I don't want to burden your brain to think of an alternate method. I'm just like, I think the main issue is that we don't have a variable, and I can't set a variable for the color of the costume, the color of the sprite. If there was something that I could do for the color of the sprite, then I would be able to do this no problem. I'd be able to like set it down to where it's only 4 blocks or like less, or a little bit more. But since there's no variable or like one of these little round blocks that I can stick in there, I can't do it like that. I have to do it like this. So
Yeah.
we have to have.
Are people complaining because it's too long? They're just jealous of its length.
Okay.
That's a great excuse for my code being too long.
I
see. You wouldn't know anything about things being long, would you?
That is crazy.
All right. Heart. Dr. Fish's heart.
Rixie's ready to have people throw hands with her.
Yeah. So these are my excuses for being inadequate. It's fine. Actually, you're inadequate. You're the problem. And also, your mother and I have relations. Now what? That's like my go-to.
Now I'm okay with average size code. Okay.
King Brian's inciting you to eat Dr. Fish. Absolutely not. You should not. Why does everybody want to eat him? You have a disorder. You all have an eating disorder. Trying to eat Dr. Fish. He's not meant to be eaten.
Nom 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 nom.
Nah! What's that disease that people have where it's actually an eating disorder where they like want to eat like inanimate or like objects that you're not supposed to eat? What's that called? Pica? I think it's called pica.
I have no idea.
Yeah, it's like a thing. It's like a real thing. I think I saw like I think I saw it on like a documentary or like My Strange Addiction or something. It's when people want to eat things that aren't edible.
You always want to eat me. Yeah, because you're a potato. Crazy log. Really, Perry? You too? I don't care about the length of code. I just want the efficiency at which it works at. Fair enough.
He tastes like cheeseburgers. Pablo said it because he tastes like cheeseburgers. How would you know that, Pablo? He doesn't. I don't think he does. I probably taste more like cheeseburgers than he does. All right, I think.
I want to make a starting screen, but I think I'll do that after I get the bulk of the code done.
This one? Oops.
It's Pika syndrome.
The hardest part of this is figuring out which color I think Dr. Fish is. I would lose my own game.
Ask Chrissy if we could text that, please. I need to know if she tastes like cheeseburger. No.
I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, this is it. This is the color palette of Dr. Fish, you guys.
Wait, why
right
isn't
here.
it working anymore? Why isn't it working anymore? Hello?
And then backdrop 5 or backdrop 6 will be Dr. Fish with boobs. All right. So we'll figure that out after.
It's not working.
Okay.
It's not working anymore.
Oh no, your code's not working anymore. Ooh. More like Dr. Fish sticks when I'm done. Hey! All right, just for testing, let me just set it back to backdrop 1. All right, so let's test this. All right, so let's say it's this one. This one? Okay. Body. This one? This one? Okay. Tail. This one. Jet flames. This one. Heart.
Okay, now it works. Okay, that was weird.
This one? Okay, it's working. Okay, so I have to, but I want to make the end screen is gonna be Dr. Fish with boobs. All right, so but yeah, we have a start screen, an end screen, and then when you get it, wait, when I think that boing sound effect, boing. What if the player gets it incorrect? There should be like a.
There are noises for that.
Oof, oof, oof.
I can't hear fish sticks anymore without thinking of the Kanye episode of South Park. I have no idea what you're talking about. Is there a way to assign a number to a block of code? Yes. I think if I go complicated wise, yes, there is. But that would be inefficient.
I want to peek at reveries. I'm not stealing. I'm just checking.
You're not stealing?
I'm not. I'm just looking. Why do you have waiting in between? Is it like so that they don't like speed run it?
Yeah, it's so like it doesn't automatically switch, but I'm debating removing that because I think it's making the code be weird.
Okay. Yeah, ours are pretty much similar, but just a little bit different. Mostly because I stole yours, so. But yeah.
Nah, it's all good. It's not stealing, it's sharing.
Aw, yeah. All right. So.
What the flip? What the flip? What are you doing, you mother trucker?
Okay, so yeah. So we should add a sound effect or something. You should add a sound effect or something if you get it wrong. So if Uh. So yeah, if okay, don't tell me I'm gonna have to. Wait. Would it be an if else?
I didn't do if else. I just went. Oh wait. What are you trying to do?
So if they click somewhere that's not the right color, I want it to be like oof, and then maybe I'll have like the maybe I'll have the emote of like Dr. Fish with the hammer, pop up or something. But what would that be? Would that be a if?
It would be an if else. The issue with that is it'll forever be checking if the mouse is clicking down, and if the mouse is not even clicking down, it'll say, "Oof."
Yeah.
I tried doing that too, and it just like every few seconds it would say, "Try again, try again." If I had an if else, I would be able to do that. Wait, I wonder if we could do
variables
an else, if else, and then you put an if in there too.
Ooh, if okay, wait. If hold up. wait. Okay, you don't have to wait, but I had a mini brain blast. I think I might know what to do. If
Okay.
If not wait. If mouse down. Okay. I'm cooking.
Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, I got it.
Okay, and let me go and. Okay. If mouse down and not touching color. wait.
Right.
I'm cooking. This better work. And not okay, there's so many layers of these diamond things. And not touching color. Then oh, but wait.
You gotta have it.
It has to be. It has to be. It's gonna be different for each level. It's gonna be different for each level.
You just have it say try again.
No, well, I'm saying the color that needs to be the correct color is different for each level. So if mouse down and not touching the face color, then oof, but only for the first level. Because if you're
just gonna have to duplicate the code over and over again.
Well, but it's all gonna be under the forever block. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you can attach it. Okay, I figured it out. Like with your help, like what you said, it got me to figure out what to do.
And mouse down and not touching.
But if I put it,
but if I put this, if mouse down and not touching red, then oof. But if it's the next level and now the color's gonna be different, and now it should be if touching, but it's always gonna be on the same block. King Brian, am I right or am I wrong? I need to add another variable if mouse down and not touching color and backdrop is, because the backdrop determines what level it is, right? Okay, I gotta slide this in there we go. If mouse down and not touching color and
this code is getting longer and longer.
And backdrop. Oh no. Oh no. Is there not a block? Is there not a block for? Is there not like a diamond shaped block for what backdrop it is?
There should be. Where is it? thought there was. I don't know.
Ooh.
I do not know.
All right, we'll have to add another. I'll have to add some other indicator. Oh wait. Oh, backdrop. Oh wait. Ooh. Okay, I got this. I can figure this out. Backdrop number.
It's fine.
Okay. Backdrop name equals. Okay, wait. I got this. Backdrop
What the fuck?
number equals.
What the fuck?
1. Right? Is that? And backdrop number equals. Look at this monster of a thing here. And backdrop number equals. Oh my gosh, this is like. I have to zoom this out. Okay. Hope I'm right. Okay, it's like it won't. It's not fitting because it's like so.
Mouse down.
And. Oh my gosh, there's so many layers of and. Okay, and backdrop number equals. And then I gotta fit all of this. I have to fit all of this in here. Wow, it fit. Okay.
What the fuck?
Okay.
It's not taking it anymore.
If mouse down and not touching color red and backdrop number equals 1, then oof. Then play sound.
Bruh.
Record. Wait. Is there an oof sound?
I don't think so. I don't know. What the? Why isn't this working?
Oof. Now there's an oof sound. Oof. Why is the bass so strong in this? Wait. Oof. Oof. All right, there. Oof. Can we play it faster? Oof. Oh no.
Oh
Oof.
my god. Why is
That's
it saying
fine.
it's not?
That's fine. All right. Play sound recording 1. Okay. Until done. Okay. It's not the length of your condition that matters. It's how you use it. Wait, what? Okay. Let's try this. Wait, what's this?
You know what? I give up on that. Fine.
Oh.
This works just fine.
Okay. So let's try this. All right. All right. It already didn't work. It already didn't work because I'm clicking and there's no oof. There's no oof. Yeah, hi, Bubon. Okay. This is backdrop 1, right? This is backdrop 1. If touching color and mouse down, then. Okay, switch backdrop 2. Oh, wait. Oh, I put it in the wrong spot. Okay, this should work now. I put it. Yeah, King. Yeah. Sorry. I saw my mistake. Oof. Oof.
Okay. I don't have it. Next level. Okay.
I know.
We've made progress.
Reverie can't hear the oof, so that's why she's not laughing as hard as I am right now. Oof.
She is that's her Fugi. If you go to her stream, she won't be a PNG.
Yeah.
Here, let me hear it.
Alright.
Let me hear it.
Huh?
I will unmute you and I will turn up my volume and I will listen.
Wait. Oh, what? You want to hear my oof? Oh, on the screen. Oh, yeah. Oof. I kind of wish the oof noises would overlap. Wait, if I change it to start sound, if I change,
yeah,
it'll overlap.
It'll overlap.
Oof, 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 oof.
I can hear it. I can hear it without watching the video. I can freaking hear it. That is hilarious.
I figured it out. If you need the code, just check how I got it to with this long ass green sausage here. I finally got it to work. All right.
Well, okay, so I got mine to work partially, and then it stopped working for the rest of it, and I was like, you know what? It's not worth it.
All right. So now I just need to duplicate that. Okay. Okay. No, I just want this part. I just want this part. No, take this part off. Okay. I need to duplicate this. Here, put it. Can I put it in the backpack? Oh, there we go.
Okay.
Oh, that's convenient. Okay. So, I need to
Color.
duplicate this for every level. Okay.
How many levels should I have mine go, though? I could do 10, but that's gonna be a long.
Mine's just 5. If it's green, then you should see a doctor. Yeah. All right. And if it has writing on it like this, you should call the police. All right. Okay, so we'll do it for each level. So, thank you for the burgers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You're rewarding me for figuring it out myself. All right.
Okay. It's only.
Okay.
This is actually a really easy game.
So then we're just gonna take this. I'm gonna duplicate it, and we're gonna take this one out and delete it. Okay. And then backdrop number equals 2. Okay. And then we'll just keep going like that. I feel so smart right now.
Oh my gosh. What if I put a secret code in the colors, and I have an extra level if they click on it, right?
Ooh. Put a secret among us.
Okay, I'm gonna try to do that. That'll be a pain in the ass.
Is that not what the backpack? Oh, there it is. Okay, there we go. Do you ever use the backpack thing? I just realized that that's a thing. You could put a block. You could put like, oh, darn it. I'm having trouble because of like I'm all zoomed out and stuff. Oh, geez, what did I do?
Insane to be coming up with secret stuff when this is already a bit of a struggle. Listen. It'll be a lot easier to do than this, because just.
All right. So now this is gonna make just one green.
Stop.
Delete. Okay. Duplicate this one. Put that there. Put that there.
Color.
Okay.
We'll have it do
Backdrop 3.
red. Touching color.
Let's see if I finish mine before Reverie. Not that it's a competition or anything.
Uh-huh.
Alright.
Here's the green.
I'm gonna put this here.
And this yellow.
And then one more of these. Okay. Ugh. They're so sticky. They stick to each other. You put them in the wrong spot and they just start mating spontaneously.
What?
Well, I mean, kind of. They start sticking to each other. Thank you for the follow, Douglas. Thank you, thank you.
I think this color is easier.
Okay.
To discover. This one.
I think I have to make 2 more of these actually. Alright, so this one. This one. This is watching Rixie copy paste ASMR.
One. Excuse us. She mentioned Among Us. I think she needs to be ejected from the ship. Okay, stop. Stop right there. We're not doing this.
I know,
Jamie.
Douglas. You were here before when I was playing Pokemon. Normally, I'd be playing Pokemon today, but instead, we're making our own game. Yeah. And also, speaking of Pokemon, I still haven't gotten my third Weavile. Guys, I wasted all of my free Pokegolds trying to get Weavile. I've done like 7 rare picks, and I have 2 Weaviles. I need 3. I think that even though it says 1 day on the thing, I don't think it expires until tomorrow night. So, but anyways, wish me luck. Oh. What are you talking about, Douglas? Thank you for the burger. Thank you, thank you. Okay. This goes here.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna have...
Yeah, you can only get it during the event. Yeah. So I think I have like 1 more day. And I'm annoyed because it doesn't let you get the flare unless you have 2 copies unless you already have like 2 copies. So you have to have 3 copies to get it. They're not worth it, but like I want to have everything. That's just the way I am. Hi, Potato Man. Hi.
Oh, Potato Man's there?
All right, don't ask for donations in my chat, or I'm gonna ban you, Douglas.
Oof, we hate it when that happens.
All right, so duplicate this. I only have 1 because one of my Weaviles is the rainbow. It's like, yeah, it's like I don't want the rare one. I want the less rare one. It's like good thing. My gold, yeah, I did. I spent all my free Pokegold. I don't want to spend money. Like I'm dedicated to being free to play, so I don't want to spend money to get it. But I also want to have. I also want to have everything that you can get for free. I want to have. Like obviously, I don't have the paid promo cards like for the season pass or whatever. But yeah. But anyway, sorry for getting sidetracked. All right.
Let me fill, please.
I don't think I do, Blue. I could check. I think I might have 1, but I don't think I have dupes. Wait, Reverie, do you play Pokemon TCG Pocket at all?
I do.
You do? You have to find me.
Occasionally, I do. Yeah, so send me your code.
Okie dokie. I will at some point. All right, so I think I have all the... Okay, I think I have all these in now. So now let's play the game and make sure that it's doing the oof on every... Oh my god, look how big... Look at this monster. Look at this monster! Look at this. That is some BBW code if I ever saw it. She's thick and beautiful. What deck do I play? I play all kinds of different decks. I don't know. Nope. I like Pikachu. I know it's an old school one. I'll have to upgrade my Pikachu deck for the new meta, I guess. Is that the code in your pocket? Are you just happy to see me? I know, thick as fuck. I'm glad I figured this out myself. I'm glad I figured out mouse down and not touching, and I'm glad I figured that out. I know it's baby stuff. Oh wait, I have to change the numbers on all these. I know it's baby stuff, but for me, it means something. All right. So okay, so zoom in. All right, 4. Okay, 4. And 5. Okay.
Are you gonna make the rectangle into a circle?
Alright.
No.
Okay, so oof. Alright, and then the correct one. Oof. Wait, which is the correct one? Oof. I forgot which one's correct. Oof. Wait. Oh no, wait, can I even get to the correct one? Did I break it? Oof. Oh no. Tell me I didn't break it and now it's like I can't get it. Oof. It's still played.
You okay?
It's still
What'd you do?
It still played oof when I got the correct answer. That's not...
Oh no.
Oof. Why? What did I do wrong? I was so proud of myself. I was figuring it out, and it's not working. If mouse down and not touching color. So wait. But okay. If mouse down, if mouse down and not touching color and backdrop. But
so
why? Okay, so if it says not, if it says and not touching color, then why is it still playing it oof when it is touching that color?
Because Scratch is silly and it likes to be a pain in the ass. I don't know how to type. You would think I do, since I do coding.
If mouse and not touch. Ooh. Why? If if mouse down and not touching color. The order doesn't matter, right?
What's up?
Like the order doesn't, like if I switch, like it doesn't matter whether mouse down and not touching color is like which one goes before or after the and. It shouldn't matter, right?
It shouldn't.
I'm gonna try something just to see if this matters for some reason. Hi Axe, hi. Oof. 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 Okay, no, it's still doing it. It still has the same problem.
Like that. This fucking color statement checks the exact color, the position, and can be a bit buggy. Yeah, I agree with you. It's a little silly.
So you think it? Well, I don't get it. If it's still okay. So if touching color and mouse down, that's working perfectly fine. What's not working is if not mouse down. Wait, if mouse down and not touching color and not touching color and backdrop equals 1. I don't know why the not doesn't seem to be working. Ooh. Yo, how low would it be if I got ChatGPT to to debug my scratch code?
Crazy.
I need ChatGPT to debug my scratch code and send it a screenshot. It might actually work. Okay, if mouse down and not touching color and backdrop equals. Then,
I don't know why, but hearing you two read the code blocks is funny.
I know. Well, you know, when I was playing Human Resource Machine, I would like read the blocks over and over and over again, and it would be the same block that I was reading over and over again, and it's to the point where it was like it was like a mantra, like if else then. I'm like gonna wake up in the middle of the night, like if else then. Hi Caesar. Hi. I hope your homework goes well, Caesar. You're always in homework. You got so much homework. You got more homework than like school children do. All right.
I have so much homework, but I ignore it to stream.
I'm glad I don't have homework no more. I just have regular old boring work. Actually, I work from home, so all work is homework. ChatGPT is gonna invent blocks you'll go hunting for. No!
ChatGPT, tell me how to do I create a color matching game in Scratch? I have homework.
It probably could do it. Oh, oops. What did I just do? Can I undo? Shoot, what did I just mess with? How do I undo what I just did? I accidentally clicked. Is there an undo button?
You gonna do your homework after the stream? Nope, I'm going to bed. Actually, I'm gonna watch a movie, then I'm going to bed.
Oh no, is there a debug? Wait. That doesn't seem right. Wait. There's no undo button? What? I don't know. I'm like too delirious to figure out what I just fucked up.
I think I finished my code.
Oh, I know what I did wrong.
It looks
okay,
goofy,
I figured
but
it out.
fine.
I figured it out. Yours is working? Did you figure out how to get it to play a sound or do something when you get the wrong answer?
I decided against doing that because I was like, you know what? I want to get the code done.
Ooh.
And to get the code done, I knew that I would have to cut some corners.
I flew too close to the sun.
College is underwhelming, to be honest. Are you trying to like get in a fight with me right now? Because college is not underwhelming. I used to have a 4.0 GPA because high school was no studying. It was easy. And now I'm in college and I have to read. And I'm not good at reading because I have ADHD. And it's hard to comprehend information when you constantly forget what you're reading. And it's a lot of textbooks. And it's a lot of tears. And a lot of mental breakdowns. But it's fine. Anyway, rant over. Want to hear what happens whenever your boba's empty?
Not touching color and mouse down. Not touching color. Let's see if I rearrange this.
Breb know the pain because she's in it. Yeah, for real. It's not the best, but it works. Yeah. Oh my god, you're gonna watch a movie? Oof. I'm used to you twinsies. Slay.
Oof. Oof.
I just hear oof.
Sorry, I'm trying to find the right color. Oof. No, it still did the same thing. I still did the same thing no matter which way I rearrange it.
Let's watch the playthrough one more time, and then we'll go stare at Rixie's code.
I think I need to cheat. I need to cheat. I need to cheat. King Bri, what am I doing wrong? Somebody help. Tasukete.
I read 20 volumes of manga in the past week or two. Dang, heck, I'm in class right now watching you do code.
What happened?
That's crazy, Jog.
Oh, this is like
Jog is in class right now and watching our streams.
Hints and stuff, but
it's just my core skills are so developed from personal hobbies. My college work's become too easy. Hopefully university is harder. Oh, you're in. Okay, yeah, no. Uni professors are different than I've heard people's experiences for college, like just community college and stuff like that. And their experiences are so much different from university. Like, they're like, I don't have a final. I don't have midterms. I don't have textbooks. And I'm like over here, like, I have textbooks, midterms, like semi-midterms, midterms for midterms, and final.
Oof.
This class is not important. It's just for kind of crazy.
So
what are we supposed to be coding again? A color game. This feels like watching kindergartners trying to do multiplication. What's that supposed to mean, Turtle? Imagine a class watched your stream to learn how to code on Scratch. They'd cry. They'd be like, "What is she doing? This is so sad." It's simple. Turtle be saying skill issue for real. I'm getting like hardcore judged by Turtle. You know what, Turtle? I'd like to see you do. No, I know you could do better. If you're saying stuff like that, then you could do better. I'm getting out here because Rixie wants me for tech support. Oh my gosh, crazy. You're hiding from Rixie?
Oh, hey!
Coding is harder than it looks. That is true. Oh my god, data science coding? Anyway. But yeah, we got it. Welcome to color matching. Click the matching color to your sprite. And then you click that one, and then you click that one, and then you click that one.
Thank you for covering my forehead. Thank you, Toaster. My forehead was getting cold. Thank you.
That one. B, we're done! Okay. Okay, let's go full screen. Let's do this again. Okay. This one? This is like super easy in full screen. Rixie, what did you think of the little decoration that I made for you? For like your mascot, guys. You should totally show your chat the mascot that we made for you. Like not the mascot, the mascot head that I made for you.
I can. Yes. Let me show. So, Reverie is making severed heads of beloved mascots, and you guys want to see your severed head? In Minecraft, literally in Minecraft. Give me a second. Look, you guys, it's your severed head. Yay! Cute, right? Look, she even included the little Dorito hands.
Those are Dorito hands? That's what those are? Okay, I didn't know what they were.
I don't know. That's what I call them. Football. Your brick head. Pablo, is your head shaped like a brick? All right, that's cute, right? Thank you, Reverie, for making that. It's so cute. Okay. All right.
So I'm pretty much going to be going on a mass murdering spree of myself in Minecraft, and I'm going to be collecting my head several times so that I could be able to get everyone's mascot, because I've made like at least like 6 by now. I think 5 or 6, and I'm giving each person 3, and then I'm keeping 2 for myself. So right there, that is 30 times that I have to die. It's great. Uh-oh. Rixie?
Huh?
Oh, okay.
Oh, sorry. I was reading. I was reading something.
Okay. I code to unwind from med student. You're a med student? I pray for you. I was gonna try to make a game with you, and I gave up because I was too tired. Fair. Now I can say things like that and can't do better. Call their bluff. What? Also, I was a minute behind in the stream, so don't mind my late chats. That's crazy. When it comes to coding, which department you hate the most? Front end or back end? What do you mean? Something that I'm probably wouldn't get tired of doing is 3D modeling stuff. Nice. I got a 3D 3D modeling. Is that the same as 3D printing? I got something that was 3D printed for my stepdad at the Japanese festival that I went to. It was a dragon. Reverie is going to get the best self-deletion award. For real. Die 30 times for content in Minecraft. Oh my gosh. I want to see Reverie's reaction to playing Love in Deep Space. What is that? Which is better in fanfic, SCP or Creasy? I don't know, Brandon. You actually don't know back end and front end? Nope. I have no idea what that is. No clue.
I figured it out. Definitely all by myself. Definitely all by myself and not by asking any outside force. I figured it out. The reason is because when I click it and it switches, like as it's switching back, like it's counting the color. It's triggering. Okay, it's triggering the next level's oof because my mouse is still down. Like it's still counting the mouse conditions down. Like the in between. So even though I'm clicking the color red, like, because it happens so fast, but the program thinks that I'm now not supposed to be touching the color blue. Do you see what I'm saying? So I have to add a weight. Okay, so
Oh.
I have to add a weight because I click my mouse down, right? And it's like instant, right? So the instant I click my mouse down, the first one triggers to change to backdrop 2. Now, with backdrop 2, now if I'm not clicking blue, then it does oof. Right?
Okay, that makes
So even though I feel like I'm still on level 1, I'm like, because my mouse is like, because it's instantaneous, it's actually doing the oof for level 2. So I'm failing level 2 before I even started level 2. Okay.
That's a skill.
I'll keep the person or the person or program that helped me anonymous for their privacy. Definitely doesn't start with chat and end with GPT.
Crazy.
I knew it would work though. All right.
And if you don't know front end and back end of coding, why? Ah! I didn't know it opened there.
All right.
Oh wait,
I already cheated off of Reverie's work. All right, so wait.
That's not instant unless it's turbo mode. What do you mean? It's a hassle and a brain worker. Oh dear.
I just have to figure out where to put the weight. So if mouse down and...
What is this?
Oh, wait until... Okay, I know. Then wait until... Not mouse down. You mean, yeah, proof, like if I confessed it, which I didn't. I mean, maybe I did, I don't remember. All right. Not mouse down. Okay, wait until not mouse down. All right.
I was looking at the video for human resource machine, and that's interesting.
Yeah, it's like it's similar. It's like similar concept. It's the block coding, but it's like little tasks that you have to do. But yeah, me trying to get all the achievements and stuff was like melting my brain. All right, because I'm not very smart. My brain's very, very melty. It's like cheese. It's like mozzarella cheese. My brain is like mozzarella cheese.
That's an interesting way of describing it. That is an interesting way.
It's not a normal human brain. It's a mozzarella cheese brain.
Are you from the moon?
It's better than a Swiss cheese brain, I think.
Oh wait, is the moon Swiss cheese? I don't remember.
I think so. It has holes in it.
I don't know my cheeses because I don't like cheese.
Oh, you don't like cheese?
But I like pizza sometimes.
Oh, pizza's good.
I'm
All
weird. Anyway. Okay, we gotta go in 2 minutes. I gotta go in 2 minutes at least. I don't know if you gotta go.
Oh, you gotta go?
Yeah, in 2 minutes. I end my streams at 2 hours so I can be able to sleep.
Oh yeah, you guys sleep. Okay, no worries. Yeah, I might stick around for a little bit longer getting this done because now that I'm like so invested. Bye. Thank you for parallel programming with me.
Bye.
Thank you. Did you finish your game?
I did.
Aw, you beat me. Well, why don't you? If you're gonna are you gonna post it on Scratch? Are you gonna publish it?
I wasn't going to because it's shit.
Oh, it's okay. I'll publish mine.
Okay. Thank you so much for accepting my collab.
Of course.
I'm really happy.
Thank you for inviting me, and thank you for the inspiration, the color inspiration.
Yeah. I will probably invite you again in the future whenever I come up with an idea.
I'd love to. Yeah, maybe you could teach me Python.
Oh my god, dude! I'll find a visual Python for us.
Ooh, sure.
It'll be fun.
Okay, sounds like fun.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay.
I'm gonna leave this call.
Okay, bye-bye.
Toodles.
Bye. Aw, I miss Reverie. Ooh. I miss Reverie. Ooh. It's okay, but guys, make sure that you check out Reverie's. Make sure you check out Reverie's links pinned in the chat. I'm gonna try to get this done relatively fast so that I can publish it for you guys. The code is just getting longer and longer and messier and messier. All right. Now it should work. If it doesn't work this time, I might have done it wrong, but I think I got it right. So let's try. All right. Oof, 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 oof. Oh! Oof, oof. Oops, oops. Sorry, I accidentally dragged the thing. Oh. Oof. Ooh, oh, oh. Oof. If I hold down my mouse, it like makes a weird sound. Okay. Oof. Okay. So let me click the right one. Oof, oof, oof. I forget which one's the right one. Oof, oof, oof. Oof, oof. Oof, 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 oof. Which one's the right one? Oof. Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. Oh, yeah. Oof. Okay. And you guys can go ahead. You guys can go ahead and roast me. You guys can go ahead and roast me for asking ChatGPT for help, but that's what real coders do, okay? All right, real coders have been using ChatGPT. I think I saw a statistic that like more than 50% of coder developers are now using ChatGPT to help them with code, okay? So you can come at me, I guess. Oof, 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 oof. It would have taken me 50 years to figure it out. Using my own brain power, okay? I'm not the Loisimos, we did it. Okay. So look at this. I can't even look at it all at once because it's so big. Don't use GPT, use Claude, too late. All right. Okay. So, the last things we need to do, we got the oof. Now, we want to have a yeah. We want to have a starting thing that's like, we want to have a starting screen that's like, well, it'll be the same thing, but it'll just like say at the top like, Dr. Fish color matching game. All right. So, oops. So add. All right. We'll move this. We'll leave this backdrop 6. And it'll just be out of order. It's fine. Duplicate. Output. Okay, so delete this. Delete. Oh. All right, you got it. Backspace this all. All right. So I'll put Dr. Fish. Dr. Fish color matching game. And then I'll make a start button. Right. So let me add a start button. All right. Do they have buttons? No? They don't have pre-made buttons? Okay, I'm gonna make a janky button. I can make a rectangle. Okay. We can move it around. Okay. And then I'll just put like text start. Okay, the text should be a different color, ideally. Okay, start. It doesn't need to be fancy. Okay. Okay, there you go. And then I should put some music on. Let me make sure that it's not gonna be too loud. Okay. right, guys. All right, let's do this. Yeah, this is my ideal coding music. Gets me pumped up. Let's go. All right. So we're gonna make this a little smaller. All right. Now we have to add. You have to add that you need that. So okay. We need to add. We're actually gonna start on this backdrop. Hi, Sunny. No worries. We're finishing up the game. You'll be able to. Oh, you didn't see Reverie? It's okay. Her links are up pinned on the thing if you want to go check her out. She was streaming it on YouTube too. But yeah, she had to go. She has her bedtime. You know, she has school and stuff. I guess not like okay. I said bedtime in school like she's like 12 years old. She's not. She's in college. But yeah, she's got college and all that. So all right. So we're gonna do. We're actually gonna start we're gonna start on backdrop 6. So we'll go switch backdrop to backdrop 6. Then okay, switch backdrop to backdrop 6. And then I think well she's somewhere, but she's in college. She's college age. So whatever. I don't know exact age, but you know. Or I mean, to be fair, she's also like, I think thousands of years old or something. I don't know. She fell from the sky. Guys, she fell from the universe or whatever, and now she has to go to a human college. So actually, I don't know how old she is, to be honest. Excuse me? Permission not granted. You need her permission. Minecraft YouTuber outro awesome. Oh my gosh. Anyways. So okay. So switch to backdrop. When clicked, switch to backdrop 6. And then it'll be... I think this will also be in the forever, right? I don't know. Okay. Okay, events. When... Actually, okay, so when this sprite... Oh. When this sprite clicked, switch backdrop 2, backdrop 1, okay, and then it needs a new home. So when this sprite clicks, switch to backdrop 1. When backdrop switches to backdrop 1. Alright. Okay. What am I troubleshooting? I'm not troubleshooting anything. I'm not troubleshooting anything. Okay. I'm not troubleshooting anything. I'm figuring out the start of the game here. Okay, so now we have to get rid of so now when backdrop switches to backdrop 1, we're gonna hide we're going to hide wait. Switch to backdrop 1. Okay, wait. Let me get rid of this. Okay, when the sprite is clicked, switch to backdrop 1 and hide. Right? Thank you for the burger. No. Thank you. Alright, let's see if that works. So, oof. Oh, but we don't want the oof. We don't want the oof for the first screen. Can't wait for an accident to delete all progress. No. Alright, we don't want the oof that time. So when backdrop. Switch this to backdrop 1. Wait until... Maybe we add another wait until mouse not down, maybe? I think. Alright, let's see if that fixes it. Oh, we have to show... Okay, I forgot we had to show this. We have to show... Alright, when... Clicked show. Okay. Alright. Good. Alright, we can add a sound effect. When clicked play. They don't have built-in sounds? Do they have built-in sounds? Oh, sounds. Choose a sound. Okay, here we go. Click. There's no click sound? Effects. Oh. Nope, nope. That's unnecessary. What's this one? That works, I think. No? That's cute. Alright, let's just do that. Sound. Alright, let's see if we fucked it up. Oh wait, no, sorry, wrong one. One sprite clicked. There we go. Oof, oof. Okay. So that works. Okay. So, start. And then when we get the right one, when we click the right one, we want it to play like a happy sound too. Alright. So, start sound. I gotta pick sounds again. Okay. Voice wacky. What? That's a little long. Okay. These are a little silly. There's a big boing! That's the boing! We can use that boing for when you win at the end. We can use that boing for when you win at the end. Alright, let's like a you did it kind of sound. I say this one, but it's so long. This same one. This one's so long. Do they have like a normal freaking sound? What's like? Do they have like a like a fish sound? Ew. Oh, like maybe something like that. Here, wait, let me turn off my music so you can hear it. Here. These are just notes. Splash, splash. Splash, splash. Glug, glug. I don't know. I think the ukulele might work. Yeah, maybe we could do a ukulele strum. Is that the only ukulele note they have? Oh, wait. Maybe we can do a different ukulele note. We could do a different ukulele note for each level. No, they only have a few. Wait. Wait. Here, let me search the ukulele. Oh. It's not a scale. The trumpet isn't too long? Which one? Wait, which one? No, not that one. Wait. No. Wait, which one was it? I forgot, which one was it? The victory one? Which victory one? Ta-da! Ta-da! This one? Okay, now I'm just messing with it. Oh. I think I destroyed the sound somehow. Wait, let me go back and get it. Okay. Let's see. Where'd it go? Yeah. Yeah, I did write it. Alright, I'll make it a little faster. I like that one. We can fade it out so it's shorter. I don't know if that's necessary. Alright, I think that works. So. Oof. Okay. Ta-da. So. If mouse down, wait until mouse not down. And then ta-da. Okay, so we gotta like, make a bunch of duplicates of this. Oh, shoot. Okay, there you go. Duplicate. It's multiplying. It's rapidly multiplying. Okay. All right. Ta-da. And then. Ta-da. Ta-da. All right. Don't worry, guys. We're almost done. We're almost done. Ta-da. And last one. Big boobies. Oh. Where are the big boobies? Dr. Fish is gonna have big boobies. When this is done. I just realized, you guys, I'm gonna have to get a PNG. I don't know if I have a PNG of the boobies. Believe it or not. Fish, what are you doing? I'll have to make one. Live on stream. Alright. I have to ping my boobies. PNGify my boobies. Alright, I don't know why it's not. Okay, come on. Where are the boobies? Oh, there we are. There they are. Just troubleshooting my boobies. No worries. All right. So there are the boobies, and back to the program. Okay, Pablo. All right. Timer started. Thank you. All right, and then ta-da. All right. So I think this is all good. Before I test that, maybe I should just make my end screen. Well, okay, we can test it. All right. Oof. All right, and then the correct one is... Yay! Oof. Oh, Did I accidentally just click the right one? Or is it a glitch? Wait. Wait. Oof. I just realized something. I just realized something. I just realized something. I have to add, oh God. It's okay. 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 It's not the end of the world. It's gonna take a little extra time. Okay. I have to add and background equals, because I have to add that because otherwise the right answer, the 5 right answers are the right answer in every level. Well, they will trigger a tada on every level. So I have to make sure it's on the level with the level being defined by the backdrop. Okay, we can do it. We can do it. It's not the end of the world. We did it one time. We can do it again. All right. And if we have to call on ChatGPT again, then we have to do it. Okay. All right. Backdrop number equals 1. All right. Hopefully this doesn't break everything. I hope that doesn't break it. Let's test it. Oof. 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 Okay. Okay, it seems like it worked. Okay, so now we're gonna take... Okay. We're gonna take this that I just created. This big and sausage, as I like to call it. And I'm gonna dump it down here. Alright. Now we're gonna... Oh, come on. I have to make sure that the thing is penetrating properly. What? Wait, what did I... Okay. Alright, here we go. Okay. So I got this. Now we just need to move this. Okay, so we're gonna take this part out. Okay. We're gonna copy this. Duplicate. Alright. And then put that back. No, we're gonna take this whole part out. I feel like I'm doing surgery right now. We're doing transplant surgery. Okay. Have a good night. Thank you for coming by, Pablo. Big wiener, yeah. Okay. Alright. So we just keep doing that. We just repeat that for each one. Alright? It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. We just have to repeat that for each one. Okay, let me turn the music back on. You like making puns? I don't think that was a pun. I don't think that was a pun, but it's okay. Wiener? I barely know her. Alright, that's kind of a pun. Alright? Alright, and then we're gonna put this here. Alright, can I, like... Oh, that's not it. Okay. I guess I can't, like, move this out of the way. So I can grab my big freaking wiener code. Alright. Delete this. Transplant that. And I put that there. Alright, same thing here. Take this out. Extract that. Delete that. Replace this one with this one. And put that there. Okay. One more. Just one more. Okay. Take this out. Take this out. Delete that. Move this here. Take this out. Delete that. Take this. Transplant it there. And ta-da. Okay. I think... Oh, we have to change the background. We have to change the backdrop number for each one. A friend signed me and my other friends to a band battle without our consent. Apparently everyone agreed. So I have something to do next month. Sounds like fun. Sounds like fun. I hope that you win the band battle. What happens if you win the band battle? Then what? Like, what do you get? What do you get for winning the band battle? All right, so we change the backdrop numbers here. 3, 4, 5. Okay. That should be correct. So, start. Wait, let me test something. Oops. How do I don't want to drag this around on accident. All right. Here, let me preview it like this. Okay, I can't drag it if I do it like that. All right. Just testing. All right. Oof, 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 oof. Is that really the color I picked? I guess so. That doesn't seem accurate, but okay. Oof, oof. Okay, tail. Jet flames. Oof. Heart. Oof. Okay. Band execution? Okay, have a good night, Sunny. If I win the band battle, it gets recognition and some money. Not too much, but it's mostly experience. $500? Yo, $500 nothing to sneeze at. Alright, anyways. Alright, so it works. Now we just need to add an end screen, right? Oh, divided by all band members. Fair enough. Alright. Now we just need to add the end screen. Okay? So we're gonna add backdrop 7. Oh, we need to upload it. We need to create it. So first we need a PNG of my boobies. We need a PNG of my boobies. Or we can have a PNG of Dr. Fish wearing the boobies. That probably is better. Instead of photoshopping them together. So I'm gonna zoom in here. Alright. We're gonna say goodbye to the French engineer for a second. Alright, there's Dr. Fish. And then we're gonna grab the boobies. Grab the boobies. Here. Alright. And we're gonna put them on him. Oops. Okay. Alright, do you like that position? Is that a good place for the boobies to be? You wanna like twist them a little bit? Like that? The star's like in his mouth, wait. I gotta pin the boobies on the fish. He's moving around so much. Maybe it is better to just Photoshop them on. It might be better to just Photoshop them on. What do you guys think? The boob chin, yes. Instead of playing pin the boobs on the Dr. Fish. That might work actually. Like that. Maybe make him a little smaller. The star's like on his mouth. That's the problem I'm having. You know what? Forget it. Let's just make a PNG of the boobs. Alright, we're gonna make a PNG of the boobs. And this is how we're gonna do it. Oh my gosh, you guys! It's me! Your favorite VTuber! Rixie's boobs! Wow! Okay. Now I have to stand still. I have to stand still for the picture, okay? Alright, would you like it better if this was just on screen all the time instead of Rixie? What do you think? Alright. I have to stand still for the picture. I'm taking a picture. Okay, we have a nice picture now. Huh? Who's Rixie? Wow! You know Rixie. You guys love Rixie. No, don't do this to Rixie. Science gone too far. I could go too far, but I don't know if Twitch would like that. I could start removing layers, but I don't think Twitch would like that. So, all right. So let me switch back to Rixie, you guys. I know, boo. We don't want to see Rixie. Oh, I was sneezed. Ugh. I tell you, I'm never gonna sneeze on this stream. I'm never gonna sneeze. Not for free. Not for free. Ugh. Anyway. Ugh. Men only want one thing. It's disgusting. All right. So. Now that I have a boob PNG. Now that I have a boob PNG, I have to Photoshop. Boob PNG on top of Dr. Fish PNG. And instead of Photoshopping it, I'm gonna do it in Microsoft Paint. Because I'm high tech like that, alright? So, got my Dr. Fish, you guys can't see it. You guys can't see it, but I'm currently Photoshopping the boob picture on top of the Dr. Fish picture. And that did not work. Wait. Oops. Never mind, I'm dumb. What did I just do? Okay, open Dr. Fish. Okay. And then I have to open in place. I'm performing surgery, yes. I'm performing a boob enhancement surgery. Alright. It's the first ever boob transplant on a fish. Alright. So we're gonna... Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to... Okay. Undo. Oh, what did I just do? Okay. Okay, file, import. What did I do wrong? Okay, import. Pictures. Okay. Boobies. Okay, and now... Okay. And now I'm going to... Yes, I'm performing surgery. Alright, let me move the Dr. Fish over here. Alright, and then move the boobies here. Okay, that looks good. Okay, that looks almost too good. Alright. Okay. Alright. I think the surgery was successful. The surgery was successful, a little too successful. I'm a little I'm a little worried about having you guys acting up after this. Alright. So let me save this as fish boobies. Or fish enhancement. I'm gonna name it that because I don't know if Scratch has like a filter of like you can't put the word boobies or something. All right. Now we're gonna make a new backdrop. We'll upload backdrop. All right, there we go. All right. So this is our backdrop number 7. All right. And we're gonna make it so that when this finishes, so when you switch to backdrop, so it's gonna switch to backdrop 6. Switch to backdrop 6. And instead of playing Tada, it's gonna play. Instead of playing Tada, it's gonna play the Boing. No, not that Boing. This one. This one. All right. So play Big Boing. It's gonna switch it back up, and then it's gonna. So this one, event. When backdrop switches to backdrop fish enhancement, it's gonna hide. All right, which means we gotta show it at the beginning of everything, okay? So, same thing here. So let's copy and paste this. Or if we can't copy it, then okay, I'll just make a new one. Events. When backdrop switches to fish enhancement. Hide. Okay. And then, so when we're gonna do, okay, and then we'll just add when clicked show. Okay. This one clicked show. Okay. Shouldn't you be gone? Shouldn't he be gone? Oh, okay. Wait. Alright, let me do all this. Oof, 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 oof. Oof, oof, oof. See, even I don't know look like oof. Even I don't know the right colors. Oof, 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 oof. Oh. It went, why did it switch to, it switched to the wrong backdrop. Did I... Oh, I didn't, okay, there we go, sorry. I have to do it all over again, sorry. Oof, 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 oof. Okay. Oof, 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 oof. Oh wait, it's his body. Oof, oof. There you go. Okay. Oof. Okay. Oof. Alright. So, and then I'll put like, congrats, here's your reward. Alright. How do I edit the backdrop? Here. Oh. Alright. Let's get rid of this. Alright. So I'll add text. Congrats. Here's your reward. There we go. Hi, Blue Enfield. Hi. I'm just finishing up my. Game. And then we can also add a button. We can add a button too that says play again. Right? And it'll just go back to the beginning, right? Watch that be the thing that fucking breaks everything. Alright. So let's duplicate. Actually. Oh. Alright. Alright, let's add a rectangle. Alright, and then text that says play again. Someone out there will goon to this fish. You guys aren't already? Cowards. You can't be a real fish mafia if you haven't gooned to the fish at least once. All right, just kidding, just kidding. Everybody can be a fish mafia as long as they have evil in their hearts, all right? All right, so play again. Move this, make it smaller. Don't want to block out any of Dr. Fish's glorious boobage. Oh, it can be bigger than that. All right. and then it'll just be okay. Events. When backdrop switches to backdrop fish enhancement, we're gonna show, and then when this sprite is clicked, backdrop switches to, when clicked, switch backdrop to backdrop 1. All right, and then at the start, when yeah. Okay, so then when switch the backdrop, okay, wait a second. Oh, okay, backdrop 6 is the start screen. Okay. So backdrop 1 is the... Wait. Oh, okay, this one. Here. When this sprite is clicked... Okay, wait. Alright, when... Okay, I know what to do. When flag is clicked, hide. And then when backdrop switches to backdrop 1, hide. Okay. I think we have it. I think. Alright, let's try it. Let's preview it. Alright, you ready? Alright, Dr. Fish color matching game. Alright, start. Level 1, click the closest matching color to Dr. Fish's face. Oof. Oh. Oof. There you go. Click the closest matching color to Dr. Fish's body. Okay, tail. Jet flames. Oof. Heart. Congrats, here's your award. Play again. Oh no, we have to show. Okay, when it does play again, we have to show everything again. All right. Okay. I got this. We got this. All right. So. It's okay. Listen. I'm close. All right. When backdrop switches to backdrop 1, here. Show. Yeah, see? When backdrop switches to backdrop 1, show. Yeah, the next one's hard mode. The second one's hard mode, the uncoded play again button. Yes, I'm just having it jump back. Listen. Yeah, the second run playthrough is hard mode where you don't get to see any of the colors. You just have to click in the right position. All right. Okay, I think it should work now. All right. Okay. And we should be able to play this like in a loop. Oof. Oh god, which color is it? Oof. I swear it's a different one every time. I'm the one who picked this. Oh, it's probably just like one spot. You see, it's a little bit different color. Okay, we're gonna make it tricky for people. It's fine. I'm not gonna lose sleep over it. Oof. Oh, this is his tail. All right, jet flame. Okay, heart. Oof. All right, play again. Oh, we should add a sound. Watch! When I add the sound, everything's gonna break. All right. Oof. Alright. Oof, 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 oof. Oof, oof, oof. What is it? Oof, oof. There we go. Okay, tail. Oof, 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 oof. Jet flames. Heart. Oof. Play again. Okay, it's working now. Like I said, last one, last test. We're just gonna add the same sound effect. We're gonna add the same sound effect to this that we added to the start button. Right. So when this sprite clicked, yeah. Oh, I could have just added a hide. I could have just added a hide after this, but it's fine. It's fine. We're gonna leave it. We're not gonna mess with it. We're not gonna mess with it. All right. I hope that doesn't break anything. All right. Start. Oof, oof. All right. Oof, 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 oof. Which one is it? Oof, oof, oof. Oof, oof. Okay. Tail. Oof, oof. Jet flames. Oof, oof. Heart. Okay. Okay. It's working, right? Oof, 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 oof. And then we should be able to play it as many times as we want. Oof. I have to watch the VOD, so I can do this? Yeah, sure. I was streaming with Reverie for a little bit. And you can see her game was a little different. Her game's a little different. I don't think she's publishing hers, though. Oh, there we go. Okay, body. Tail. Jet flames. Alright! I think it's working! It's working! Yay! Alright. Watch, somebody's gonna try to break it. Beautiful game. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Alright, let me make sure all this shit is saved. Save now. Save, okay. I'd call this Dr. Fish color matching game. Alright. Alright. Save. Alright, share. Congratulations on sharing your project! Alright. Is this the first, why is this like the thumbnail? Wait. See inside, oh god, everybody's gonna see my nasty code. Oof. Oh, it started, it starts, wait, how do I get it to start? How do I get it to start here? Ooh. Is it because the backdrops are out of order? It's because the backdrops are out of order, isn't it? Ooh. Oh, okay, wait, there we go. So, okay, so if I go, okay. So if I go to my games, my profile. All right. Shared projects. Copy link, okay. All right, so then if I go here. I'm still logged in. Okay, let me go somewhere where I'm not logged in. Just to test it. I'm logged in here too. Sign out, okay. Alright, so if I click the green flag. Alright. Alright, so now it's working, okay. Okay. This is so scum. Alright, but it works though. It works. Okay. Okay, so let me go back here. Okay. So I guess I'll just put like Just follow the instructions on screen and enjoy the fishy vibes. Disclaimer. Color matches may not be accurate. Just keep clicking. Just keep clicking.
Oops.
Dr. Fish! Wait a second. Okay. Alright. Game of the year? Oh my gosh. Alright. He really likes this little tilde. That's implied. Alright. Alright, notes and credits. Thanks, reveriecalypso, for collabing with me while I streamed the creation of this project. Alright. Alright, so... What's add to studio? What is that? Okay, whatever. Okay, so then if I copy this link, let me go in my other tab where I'm not logged in and make sure everything looks right. Oh, the instructions and credits didn't show up. Okay. How do I make sure those instructions show up? How do I make sure this shows up? Post? No, okay, wait, I'm confused. Alright, let me just paste this into a Word file so I can frickin' make sure I edit it. Colorblind edition. Alright. Let me... okay. Go back here, my stuff. Oh yeah, here's my other stuff. Lace Spice. I'm not gonna share those because I don't know if I'm gonna get in trouble if I do. Oh, now, okay, now it seems to be showing them. Maybe it just needed a second to load. Huh? That's weird. Why would it not show the instructions? If I was showing them for me. I mean, it's not that big a deal. People can figure it out. Whatever. Alright, guys. I think I'm done. Oh, let me share the link. Let me share the link to the, so you can play it now. Aw, thank you, Toaster. I'm glad somebody's proud of me. Alright, you can play. I'm gonna post a link on Twitter. But thank you so much, everybody. Thank you, Beaker. Thank you so much, everybody. I had so much fun. Thank you again to Reverie for inviting me to program with her. I know she's probably hunk shoe right now. But I think I turned my TV to the ending of a Korean rom-com, huh? Okay. Alright, but yeah, it's good, everybody. Let me find somebody to raid. And then I will see you tomorrow. Let me clarify. Tomorrow, I am going to be collabing with Nell at 10 p.m. Eastern, 7 p.m. Pacific. And it's going to be only on Nell's channel. All right, so just keep an eye out. I'll post the link to her channel is actually on my schedule, but I'll also post a link then. And so it's only going to be on her channel, not on my channel. So make sure you go there to see me. Yeah, we're just going to be chatting, chirping, and I believe she's going to be drawing me. So it's going to be fun. All right, but let me grab my, or go on Twitch and see who is playing what so I can figure out who would be good to raid into today. Chicken sandwich? I like chicken sandwiches, but I don't no idea what that has to do with, let's see. I don't know, you guys. I might want to raid Konami who play Fortnite. I may be a little biased toward Fortnite So I'll raid Konomi. Oh shoot, let me snooze the ad. We don't need an ad. All right. Okay. Well, actually, let me just make sure that she's still go. Let me make sure I don't raid her right before she ends or anything. Oh no, she just started. She just started. All right. Oh, she's playing with Perry too. All right. So let's raid Konomi. Again? I hope you don't mind. Konomi the Konishi. Okay, let's go. Hope you don't mind. But thank you everybody. Thank you Blue Enfield. Thank you Beaker. Thank you Nick Nya. Thank you Axe. Thank you Savior. Thank you Toaster. Thank you Blue and Blue. Thank you Mega Flower. Thank you Perry. Thank you Stuff Christ. Thank you. I hope I didn't miss anybody. And thank you again, Reverie. Big kisses. I'm King Bright. See you later. Bye-bye.